Hi guys, Juliet. Welcome to my green moments. Today I want to talk about leaves, and only leaves, and talk to you why some leaves might look dull and they lose their vibrance and the natural shine you see here, how to fix it and what needs to be done. So there's only 3 reasons why the plant might look less vibrant than usual or not as vibrant and glossy as when you got it. One is a dust, second one is lack of nutrients, the third one is lack of light. So dust, easy to fix. You just take a moist paper towel with water, you wipe off the dust, voila, plant might look like new. The lack of nutrients is a little longer fix. You're not gonna have an instant result, just like you would with the cleaning. And then you would need to use the plant food to feed your plant. And I use for all my plants, and you've seen me using it in all of my videos. It's good dirt plant food. It's all natural, can be used any time of the year, can be used all year long. You need to use it every time you water your plant. You only need 1 pump, which is about 1 tablespoon per gallon of water. This bottle lasts you a long time. This is my favorite. I fertilize my plants. I feed them only in spring and summer. So this is the best product there is. I tried many different products and my plants are the happiest with this one. So am I. The result on the leaf will show, of course, after few applications. Do not apply between the watering, only apply the plant food when the plant is ready to be watered. And the last one is lack of light. So if your plant is in an area where it does not get enough light, it will lose its color, its vibrance. It might look sad, droopy. And the solution to that is just to move plant closer to the light. But when I say closer to the light, I do not mean putting the plant under direct sunlight. Most plants do not like direct sunlight, especially if they're close to the window. The glass of the window accelerates the strength of the sun, so the plants are usually suffering being on the direct sunlight. Always better to be in a nice lit spot, but not with the sun, just having a bright daylight. That's more than enough. So after you move the plant in a better spot, again, it's going to take some time for a plant to get its color and recover from being away from the proper amount of light. Also a long-term solution, but it works and you'll see the results. Not as quick as with when you're just cleaning off the leaves. Oops, voila, all of a sudden it's nice and clean and like new. The other thing I use, and this should be treated like a spring cleaning, you cannot use it often, it's milk. Yes, I do use whole milk to give my plant leaves shine, because the milk has fat, so it gives us this natural, very soft glow. And again, do not use it often, because the oil in the milk, the fat in the milk, it actually will block the absorption of the light. So we don't want to do that. It's going to build up if you use it too often. But once in a while, if you really feel like you want to give your plant a makeover, make it shiny, yeah, you can do it. So I'll have a milk right here, and this is a paper towel. Make sure to squeeze it well. And then let me show you on this plant here. Move all my stuff back there. So on this plant here, as you can see, the baby leaf, the younger leaf, you see it has its natural glow, where this leaf right here kind of lost it along the way. I know we're coming out of winter, so that's probably part of it, because the days are shorter, so the light exposure is less often. I only started to fertilizing them a month ago, so it takes time, but you can see the difference. So now I'm gonna use my paper towel with milk, and I'm just gonna go over the leaf very gently. You see? This is it. Now it's, see that little shine? Yeah, it's perfect. You can probably compare it to this one, where it doesn't have as much shine as this one. Yeah, I can do like the tip so you can see. Very easy, so if you feel like you want to give your plants a nice shiny treatment, go for whole milk. And again, please do not use it often because you're gonna block the leaves' availability to absorb the light and produce oxygen. So that's how to get leaves shiny. Make sure they're clean, make sure plant gets enough light, gets enough vitamins, and then a quick fix, just use whole milk. It was good to see you. Take care of yourself and take care of your plants. I see you soon.